Hello everyone, I am Dr. Yogita Sharma working as a physiotherapist in Matrix German Therapy Center, Mulund, Mumbai. Today I will be introducing you to the equipment of Matrix Rhythm Therapy in detail. This therapy is researched and invented by Dr. Ulrich Rendall in Germany. The device is manufactured in Germany by Maridi Systems GmbH and Company. This is a certified class 2A medical device. This therapy is used in the management of pain and restricted mobility by way of restoring dynamic non-linear rhythmic pulsation of cells and tissues. To start with, this is the box of the equipment, which is very elegant, easy to carry and sturdy at the same time. There's a lock at the front which is unlocked in this way. There's a manual available describing the equipment, the therapy and its effects in brief. As you can see, there's a cushion available to protect the equipment from any damage while traveling or when it is not in use. The equipment has 4 parts. First is the gray cable. Second is the power cable. Third is the control unit and its applicator. The most important part is connecting the gray cable to the control unit and applicator. As you can see, there are 2 ends to the gray cable. The end which has an elevation should be connected to the control unit. The red dot on the gray cable should correspond to the red dot on the control unit and it should be connected this way. Similarly, the red dot on the other end of the gray cable should be connected to the red dot on the applicator. And the click sound makes sure that the ends have been connected. Second is the connection of power cable, which is connected to this end. There is a switch adjacent to it to switch on and off the machine. Let's connect the power cable to the power supply. Next is the applicator. This is the applicator which is made in Switzerland. It has 2 parts, the body and the white part which is known as resonator. The body is made up of carbon material which is shock proof. It is very light and very easy to handle and grip, so the therapist need not to worry about any occupational hazards when used for longer time. The resonator is of 3 types. The first type, which is used in almost every patient, is the magnetic type, which has 2 magnets mounted in it. The second type is a non-magnetic type, which is used in patients with pacemaker, and the third type is a pediatric type, which is small in size and used in children. Second is the control unit. As you can see, there is a intensity knob which is used to modulate the intensity of oscillations according to the depth required. Let's on the machine. The green light indicates the machine has been on. This device is very easy to operate, as a therapist need not to set any parameters like frequency or time before applying to the patient. Let's start with the application. As you can see, the resonator, once placed on the surface of patient's body, generates sync, phase and magnetomechanical oscillations which propagates deep in the body tissue. This equipment is preset to deliver oscillations in the range of 8 to 12 Hz, allowing the cells and tissues to entrain. That means the cells and tissues are easily adaptable to the frequency in the range of 8 to 12 Hz, and we are not forcing the cells to adapt to a fixed frequency. So basically these oscillations, as you can see, creates a asymmetric pressure in the tissue which generates, as you can see, it creates a depth which generates pumping effect and of the tissue's own vibration. So the nerve endings are stimulated and the whole area is readapted to its proper rhythm. So to summarize, we can say cells, tissues and organs are synchronized by an externally applied rhythm in the range of 8 to 12 Hz. So these physiological oscillations stimulates physiological processes in the body to readapt. So self-healing is encouraged. So the concept of entrainment and self-healing is the soul of matrix rhythm therapy. So thank you, Dr. Rendall sir, for creating such an effective, easy and physiological tool. We also have few literature available on the same. Matrix rhythm therapy, its principles, its effect on lymphatic system, and matrix concept written by Dr. Ulrich Rendall sir. Thank you.